Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I want to take you on a tour in one of the most peaceful, beautiful estate in Lagos. This is an estate that I know of. This estate is called Beachland Estate and is strategically located in Apapa. Apapa, Lagos State is it's not at Apapa GRA, it's at Sunrise, Apapa, Lagos. Sunrise, I don't know if you know the bus stop. Sunrise is close to Kirikiri after my 2. If you're coming from my 2, it's after my 2, and it's close to Olodi Apapa as well. Yeah, so this estate is one estate that people don't really know about. Yes, people don't really know about this estate. The estate is not that popular. Personally, it's an estate that I like. I prefer this estate to so many estates in Lagos, like so many estates. Name it, whether in the island or mainland. This estate is one of my favorites actually. And the reasons why I like this estate is because of this, calmness. It's very peaceful, it's secured, it has 24 hours power supply. But the only reason why I don't really like this estate is because of the location. Yeah, because this place is actually is a seaside, but before coming to this place you have to pass, like the bus stop coming down to this estate side, you have to pass through what's it called, trailers, like tankers, people that sells all this diesel stuff. Yeah, so sometimes they usually cause traffic on the road. So for people that have boats, it's actually best for them to live in this estate. So you can actually use boats to travel wherever you want to travel to by boat. Yes, so this place is a very nice place. From this estate, you can actually access Surulere, Gomu, Rile, CMS, Lagos Island, even Badagry, Agbara, by boats. Yeah, you can take boats from that place to Agbara, Badagry. Yeah, so it's like a central place. This estate has different, nationalities, like different people lives here. The foreigners here, most of them are like workers from Julius Baja, Julius Baja, and then some Nigerians live here, and yeah, so mix of Nigerians and foreigners. You can find Germans, Americans, Indian, Chinese, so it's very peaceful.
This one is basketball court, Nabi.
No matter how it rains, it doesn't flood. You don't get to see anything compared to some of those estates in Lekki. Whereas if it rains, I've witnessed rains in so many estates in Lekki. Yes, so many estates in Lekki. And then honestly, if you want to rent an apartment in Lagos State, yes, if you want to rent an apartment, if you want to buy a place, it's best for you to go, during raining season. Yeah, that's the best time for you to go, because some of those estates you will not really know if they flood or not if it's like dry season. Yes, but this estate, I can tell you that this estate, no matter the rain, no matter the downpour, it doesn't flood. Yes, it does not flood. This estate is a very old estate. I don't really know when they built, when they developed this estate. I can't tell the particular date, but you can see some houses that are built way back in the 1980s, something like that. Yeah, so it's an old estate, and some of these most of the structures here are like very old, and it's actually a cool place. The houses here are very spacious, serene, calm. This is boat club where you can come and chill during the weekend or anytime you like. You can get different food here, and you can travel by any of these ferries, these boats here, to any part of Lagos State. This part leads to Apapa Island, and then this is another island. This other side is an island. Yeah, it leads to one island. I've forgotten the name of the island. And yeah, this is a very nice place, very calm. I love the weather, the breeze. It's a beautiful place to stay, and people don't really know about this place. Like I said before, it's one of the places that if you are tired of the stress, the noise of Lagos, you just want a calm, peaceful, place to live. This estate is the place. Yes, power. I mean, electricity, good road, and doesn't flood. What more? The only disadvantage is that you don't get to there's no shopping malls. Yes, there's no shopping malls in this estate. Yeah, no shopping malls, so you have to go outside and buy your stuff. No shopping malls, and no bank, but there are bank close by. There are shopping mall close by. Festac is very close to this place. From here you can easily take the boat to Apapa, to Island, wherever I want. Festac is very close.
Okay.
Yeah,
Let's
so
go.
for me, it's a cool place, and houses here are very affordable. Yeah, they're quite affordable compared to other places. Houses here are quite affordable compared to other places, and the houses you get here are different from the ones you get from other places because
700
these
million
ones
naira,
have more
five-bedroom.
larger space.
Any part of
They're very
Lagos, you can actually
spacious,
use that
and
boat
yeah,
club,
just like this apartment now. This
go from
house
that place
is
to
for sale and it's about
any
700
part of
million. That's the
Lagos
starting price.
by
But I'm
boat.
sure if
Compound
you're
is
like
very
ready or
spacious, and
something, you can get
this is
it,
an old house.
cheaper,
Unlike all
cheaper
these
than
new
that.
houses they're building
Yeah,
these days.
lower than that.
I'm sure it's very, very spacious. This is over
A nice
1,000
place,
square
honestly.
meters.
The breeze, the ambience is
It's over 1,000
different.
square meters.
Yeah, you don't even feel like you're in Lagos once you're in this place. Yes, you don't feel like you're in Lagos. You feel like maybe you're in some other place, not Lagos, because Lagos is so crowded, noisy. Yeah, but this place gives you a different vibe totally from all the stress, so the wahala of Lagos. I like this estate so much. It's a nice place to be. Yeah, I enjoyed filming here, and let me know if you like this estate. Enjoy the rest of the video, and thank you so much for watching.
Very quiet, secure, 24 hours electricity. I don't think there are many estates like this in Lagos. I'm not sure. That this estate has security and is very peaceful compared to so many other estates. One of the best estates in Lagos, actually. This one is one of the oldest houses in this place. This one since 1980. This one here is 1980. Good afternoon. Postal agency. And no matter the rain, it doesn't flood here. No matter the heavy rain, it doesn't flood here. Good afternoon, sir. Incredible. Clinic close.
Then thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks so much. See you in my next video. Bye.